everyone, how are you doing? In today's science class, we will talk about how does sound move or travel. But today we will understand how sounds travel in water. So, sounds can travel in water. So sounds can move in water. And you know that a lot of animals live in water. And these animals, or like sea animals, make different sounds. So these sounds can travel in water. Now, sounds travel faster in water than it does in air. So, last time, if you remember, we talked about the sound of the car horn and how people hear the sound of a car horn, right? And we said that they hear it because the sound waves keep on moving in the air and they reach our ears, and so we hear them. Now, sounds travel and move faster in water than in air. So, we can hear the sound faster than we hear it in air. Now, dolphins use sound to communicate. So dolphins, they make sounds. They make sounds and they communicate through the sounds that they make. So just like us, just like people, we make different sounds and the things that we use make different sounds, right? And so these dolphins are the same. They make different sounds and they communicate through the sounds that they make. Dolphins wrestle in water. So, do you remember last time? Or like, I think, not the last period or not the last lesson, the one before it. We talked about the different sounds and we talked about the sound of the whistle, right? Now, dolphins whistle in water. And they can hear one another over long distance. So even if the dolphins are away from each other, or there's a long distance and space between them, they can still hear one another, even if they are apart, or like they have a long distance between them, they can still hear each other. Now, this question is for you. How dolphins communicate? Can you explain how dolphins communicate? They communicate by making sounds and they whistle. They whistle in water. So, this is our lesson for today. I hope you like it and see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.